Ever walked into a space and felt that instant, soul-soothing embrace of home? We've all scrolled through countless photos of dream houses, feeling like that level of warmth and style is reserved for high-end budgets and professional designers. But what if the secret to a high-end atmosphere wasn't in your bank account, but in your hands? Today, we are cracking the code to effortless elegance, exploring how to bridge the gap between aspirational living and your daily reality. Welcome to Hambelung Studio, where we believe your home should tell your story without needing a fortune to write it. We are diving deep into the heart of the modern farmhouse movement, pulling back the curtain on how to curate a space that feels both curated and comfortable. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting your journey, these decor secrets will change the way you look at every corner of your living space. It's time to stop dreaming and start doing. Today, we're sharing our favorite budget-friendly hacks that prove that great inside design is built on creativity, not just capital. From the rustic charm of your living area to the serene retreat of your bedroom, we are transforming every inch of your house into a sanctuary. Get ready to rethink, repurpose, and reimagine your home with us. Let's get started. Where storytelling meets comfort. The living room is the soul of your home. To capture that authentic farmhouse feel without breaking the bank, focus on texture and warmth. Start by layering neutral, chunky knit blankets over slip-covered furniture. DIY tip: instead of buying expensive new pillows, find vintage grain sacks or tea towels and sew them into unique cushion covers. Incorporate reclaimed wood shelves, which you can easily achieve by staining pine boards with an aged grey finish. This inside design approach creates a space that feels lived in, loved, and endlessly inviting. the heart of the farm. Kitchens are often the most expensive rooms to renovate, but with a few farmhouse-inspired tweaks, you can achieve a total transformation. Think open shelving. Remove a few cabinet doors and paint the interiors white to instantly brighten the space. For the dining area, sand down an old wooden table and give it a distressed whitewash finish. Swap out modern hardware for matte black cup pools, a small change that packs a huge punch. This is the ultimate budget inside design hack to ground your room in classic charm. Your personal sanctuary. Your bedroom should be your retreat. To nail the modern farmhouse aesthetic, prioritize soft, airy lighting and natural materials. Create a DIY headboard using shiplap-style wooden planks, available at most hardware stores for a fraction of the cost of a designer piece. Stick to a crisp white and beige color palette to keep the space feeling serene. The secret to this inside design style is balancing those rustic, raw edges with luxurious, soft linens that invite you to sink in at the end of a long day. Rustic elegance. Bathrooms are the perfect place to play with vintage character. Transform a basic vanity by replacing the faucet with an oil-rubbed bronze fixture and upgrading the mirror with a frame made from reclaimed pallet wood. Add a woven basket for towel storage and a touch of greenery to bring the outdoors in. It's these small, intentional farmhouse details that turn a purely functional space into a spa-like escape, proving that smart inside design is all about the little things. Your exterior extension. Don't let your style stop at the door. Your garden is the prequel to your home's story. Use galvanized metal buckets as rustic planters for herbs and wildflowers. If you have a patio, create a cozy seating area using thrift wooden chairs painted in a soft, muted tone. String up some warm glow Edison bulb lights to evoke that quintessential farmhouse magic once the sun goes down. A well-curated outdoor space completes the inside design vision, making your home a cohesive sanctuary from front to back. We've traveled from the heart of the living room to the tranquility of your garden, discovering that the modern farmhouse look is truly within reach. By focusing on smart inside design choices and intentional decor hacks, you now have the tools to infuse your home with that timeless, cozy character we all crave. Remember, the beauty of a home isn't in perfection. It's in the unique, personal touches you add along the way. If these tips sparked a new idea for your space, please hit that subscribe button and join our growing community here at Hambalung Studio. We love seeing your projects, so don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who is ready to refresh their home. Drop a comment below and tell us which room you're tackling first. We can't wait to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.